Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Calendar appointment schedule feature. So if you want to make scheduling appointments easier, here's how to do it. First, open Google Calendar on your mobile or computer and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Next, on the left hand side, click on the Create button to create a new event. In the event details window, click on the appointment schedule option. You will then be prompted to set up your availability. Choose the times and days that work best for your appointments. You can also set specific time increments like 30 minutes or an hour. Once you are happy with your availability, click Next to customize the rest of your appointment settings. You can add a description, set reminders, and even require confirmation from the person booking. After that, click Save, and Google Calendar will generate a unique booking link that you can share with others. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.